Hey guys, happy Monday. I hope you had an amazing weekend. I just got my Boxycharm in the mail today, so I thought I would go through and show you guys what's inside. If you are new to Boxycharm, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription service. So you sign up and every single month you get a box delivered to your door with 4 to 5 full-size products in it. The value of the box is usually over $100, and the big spoiler this month was that everybody was getting a ColourPop eyeshadow palette, and I am so excited because ColourPop eyeshadow palettes are my favorite. I actually own every single one of the palettes they were including in the boxes, but I'm just excited for other people to get the chance to try them out because I enjoy them so much. So make sure you let me know in the comments below which palette you guys got and what you think about it. And I just checked the Boxycharm website and there is not currently a wait list. So if you guys sign up now, if you're interested in grabbing this box, you want the ColourPop palette, then you will not be waitlisted. You'll actually get the April box. So I'll put a link in the description box below and let's jump into it and I'll show you guys what's inside. So the first thing in here is a brush duo by the brand SL Miss Glam. So I got two different brushes. The first one is the Eyeshadow P15 brush, and it looks like a really nice flat shader brush for packing color onto the lid. And the second one is the Blend Beauty L34. And this one looks like a nice crease brush. These are really cute. I like how they look. You guys, I love getting brushes in my subscription boxes. I always say it, but I feel like I never have to buy new brushes because I get so many of them in subscription boxes. So I personally am excited to try them out. They feel really lightweight. They don't necessarily feel like the most high quality brushes, but I feel like as long as the bristles pack the color on well and blend the shadow out well, then I'm good to go. And I think that these are really cute. So the next thing in here was wrapped in plastic. I just took the plastic off, but it's by the brand the Browgal, and it is the Instatint Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers. I believe we got this brand I know we got this brand in a previous box, and I know that because I actually passed my products along to somebody else because I just thought I had enough brow products, and I kind of regretted it because I've heard nonstop good things about the products since then. So I'm definitely hanging on to this one and trying it out. This one is in the shade Light Hair 03. I feel like this one might be better for somebody with light brown hair or like blonde hair, but I will definitely try it out. I'd rather get a brow product that's on the light side than the dark side because honestly, you can just go in and fill it in a little bit darker afterwards. But you guys, brow gels with microfibers are like the best thing in the entire world if you have sparse brows like I do, because what I do is I just go in, fill my brows in with one of these gels. It holds them into place. It makes my brows look a little bit more voluminous, a little bit more full, and then I'll just take like a powder and fill in any sparse areas. So I love products like this. I'm really excited to try it out because like I said, I remember hearing the Browgal was like a really good eyebrow brand, and we don't get a lot of brow products in general in subscription boxes, so I personally can't wait to use it. Okay, so I got the ColourPop Element of Surprise palette, and I do already own this palette, so I will save this one for an upcoming giveaway because I definitely don't need two of them, but let me grab mine so I can show you guys what it looks like. So this is what the palette looks like, and I enjoy this palette a lot because you get a good mix of matte and metallic shadows. In general, the base of the palette is very neutral and it's very brown, so you get a lot of warm browns, some coppers, some golds. It's a really gorgeous palette, especially for like the neutral lover out there, but in addition to that, you do get some fun pops of color. If you guys got this palette, let me know what you think, or let me know in the comments below which palette you guys got and how you're liking it. Okay, the next thing in here is by the brand Dr. Brandt. It is the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask, and I have tried some products from Dr. Brandt in the past. I remember getting a really good scrub in a previous Boxycharm box, and in general I feel like their products are really nice. I personally do not use the brand because it is not cruelty free. They do sell in China, so they can't be considered cruelty free, but that is perfectly fine. I just pass along my non-cruelty free beauty products to a local women's shelter that I work with, along with products that are cruelty free too, but that way somebody else can get use out of it. This is meant for oily or combo skin. So after you cleanse your skin, you're supposed to apply a thin layer to areas of concern, I guess anywhere where you kind of have like clogged pores, and then leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you rinse it off. So you guys will have to let us know what you think in the comments below if you get a chance to try this out. I do love that they included a skincare product because I love skincare products, so I would love to see even more skincare in future boxes. Nothing too crazy because I mostly like makeup, but every once in a while it's kind of fun to switch it up. And the last product in here is from MAC. It is their Liptensity lipstick in the shade Burnt Violet. Again, MAC is not cruelty free. I know their status is a little bit confusing, but they also sell in China, so I will be donating this product. I don't know, you guys, I never really got into MAC. The first time I purchased MAC products was probably like a year and a half ago, and I did enjoy them, but it was one of those brands that I never really got into. So here is a picture of the lipstick on Temptalia's website. It looks like a really beautiful color, and it looks really, really pretty on her. But to be completely honest with you guys, I quit buying like super dramatic lipsticks in like traditional lipstick form just because they get everywhere on me. Like they get on my teeth, they get on my face, on my clothes. I don't know like what is the deal with me, but I have a really hard time with like really dramatic cream lipsticks. So when I wear a color like that, I usually go in with like a liquid lipstick because it stays put all night long. Also, I have Invisalign, so like matte liquid lipsticks are kind of my go-to when I have to be out anywhere wearing lipstick. Otherwise it gets everywhere. So I'd probably end up passing that along anyways, but that is everything I got inside my Boxycharm this month. So I do feel like it was a good box. I don't think it was my favorite box, but I am excited they included the ColourPop eyeshadow palettes for everyone else just because I love the brand so much. But yeah, what did you guys think about this month's box? Let me know in the comments below. I will definitely keep you guys posted on how the products work for me in an upcoming video, and let me know how you guys like them if you get a chance to try them out. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.